What's up guys, it's TechBud here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new iPad 8th generation, which came out on September the 15th alongside the new iPad Airs. Now the iPad Airs have a brand new redesign, making them look quite similar to the iPad Pros. They have much more slimmer bezels, they have Touch ID built into the power button, and the new Apple A14 chip. Now unfortunately, the regular iPad did not get any upgrades in design. But that isn't necessarily a bad thing because the iPads already have pretty much the best build quality on any tablet. So even though the bezels are quite big on this tablet, it still looks pretty good. Now the iPad 8th gen comes in 3 colours: space grey, silver and gold. The specific one that I have is the silver model and it's in 32GB. There is also a 128GB model if you pay £100 or dollars extra. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. So here is the iPad itself, and to give you some more information about this iPad, it has an 8MP rear camera, a 1.2MP front camera, a 10.2-inch display, and 3GB of RAM. And what's also different about this iPad compared to last year's is that it has a Lightning to USB-C charger. And as you can see, it comes with a 20-watt charger. And because this is 20 watts, you can be able to use this to fast charge some iPhones. So if you have an iPhone 8 or later, you can use this to charge your phone at a much faster speed. And inside of here we have our quick start guide and of course our Apple stickers. And so let's unwrap this. Okay, I'm bringing in my 7th generation iPad. You can see that they look pretty much similar. They are both 10.2 inches, so they are both identical in design. So you may be asking, what is the difference between this new 8th generation iPad and the 7th generation iPad of last year? Well, the difference is the new A12 bionic chip, which first came on the iPhone XS from 2018. So this actually makes it twice as powerful as the A10 bionic on the iPad 7th generation. So just know that if you are going to be getting this iPad, it's going to be a lot more powerful than last year's. And I also have the iPad 6th generation from 2018. So this is a 9.7-inch iPad versus a 10.2-inch iPad. So maybe if you want to upgrade from the 9.7-inch to the 10.2-inch 2020 edition, then you can see the size difference between the two. It is just a little bit bigger. It's not noticeable by that much. So yeah, that is the difference between these two iPads. And because this is the new iPad, it's going to come with iPad OS 14 pre-installed, which has a lot of cool and great new features. Okay, so that is the unboxing and first look of the iPad 8th generation. If you would like to see a speed test between this iPad and the 7th generation from last year, or a gaming test, then do make sure to leave a like on this video. And if you did enjoy this video, then feel free to hit the subscribe button. And that will be it for this video, and I will see you in my next one.